Welcome back to Autoland, the home of the most powerful engines, cutting-edge technology, and everything that makes the automotive world roar to life. If you're passionate about performance, reliability, and the future of heavy-duty trucking, you're in the right place. Today, we're taking a deep dive into two giants from Detroit Diesel, the brand new 2026 Detroit DD17 and Detroit DD18 engines to power plants that are setting new benchmarks for efficiency, torque, and durability in the heavy-duty market. Let's start with the Detroit DD17, the more compact of the two, but still a true heavyweight in capability. Designed for applications where a balance between raw power and fuel economy is crucial, the DD17 brings a completely re-engineered 17-liter displacement platform into the market. With output ranging from 575 to 650 horsepower and torque climbing up to 2,000 to 150 pounds-ft, this engine is a workhorse meant for fleets that need consistent pulling power without sacrificing efficiency. The 2026 model introduces Detroit's Advanced Combustion Optimization System, which uses real-time sensors and adaptive control algorithms to adjust fuel injection, turbo boost, and air-fuel ratios for maximum performance under any load or terrain. The DD17 also benefits from Detroit's next-generation turbocharging technology. A variable geometry turbo works in sync with the updated exhaust gas recirculation system to reduce emissions while keeping throttle response sharp. This means operators get cleaner exhaust output that meets 2026 EPA and Euro 7 compliance standards, all while maintaining the kind of low-end grunt that makes climbing steep grades or hauling heavy freight effortless. Maintenance intervals have been extended thanks to a redesigned oil filtration system and improved thermal management, reducing downtime and keeping trucks on the road longer. On the other end of the scale sits the Detroit DD18, the flagship of Detroit Diesel's heavy-duty lineup. This beast is built for the most demanding applications. Think oversized loads, long-haul freight, and the kind of work where failure is simply not an option. The 18-liter displacement offers an output range of 650 to a staggering 750 horsepower, with torque figures exceeding 2,600 pounds-ft. This is raw pulling muscle, but the DD18 isn't just about brute force. Detroit has refined the engine with a multi-stage turbocharging system that delivers both lightning-fast spool-up at low RPM and sustained boost at high loads, giving drivers consistent power across the rev range. The DD18 also incorporates Detroit's new dual-fuel mapping technology. This allows the engine to automatically switch between high-efficiency and high-power modes depending on the task at hand. Whether cruising on an open highway or pushing through mountainous terrain with maximum load, the DD18 adapts on the fly, optimizing fuel burn and reducing unnecessary stress on components. The heavy-duty cooling system has been overhauled with larger heat exchangers and more efficient coolant flow paths, ensuring stable operating temperatures even under extreme conditions. Both the DD17 and DD18 share Detroit's integrated electronic architecture, meaning advanced telematics, predictive maintenance alerts, and over-the-air software updates are standard. Fleet managers can monitor performance metrics in real time, while drivers benefit from smoother throttle mapping, quieter operation, and reduced vibration. These engines are also fully compatible with Detroit's automated manual transmissions, allowing for perfectly timed gear shifts that enhance fuel efficiency and extend drivetrain life. Emissions compliance is another area where Detroit has pulled ahead. Using a combination of improved selective catalytic reduction systems, high-efficiency diesel particulate filters, and next-generation exhaust after-treatment, both the DD17 and DD18 easily meet stringent 2026 global emission standards without sacrificing power. For operators, that means no compromise between meeting regulations and getting the job done. What sets these engines apart in 2026 is not just their raw numbers, but the way Detroit has blended innovation with proven engineering. Every component has been rethought for better reliability, from reinforced cylinder heads and stronger crankshafts to improved lubrication channels that reduce wear. Noise levels have been cut by up to 5 decibels compared to previous generations, making long-haul drives more comfortable and reducing driver fatigue. In the competitive world of heavy-duty trucking, the 2.0-6 Detroit DD17 and DD18 engines stand out as leaders. The DD17 delivers that sweet spot of power and efficiency for mixed-duty operations, while the DD18 dominates in the heaviest, toughest hauling conditions. Together, they represent Detroit Diesel's commitment to performance, durability, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you run a small fleet or manage hundreds of trucks, these engines are designed to keep your business moving forward with less downtime, lower fuel costs, and more pulling power than ever before. That's all for today's deep dive into the 2026 Detroit DD17 and DD18 engines. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to stay updated on the most powerful engines and latest innovations in the automotive and trucking world, make sure to subscribe to Autoland and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new upload. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Which of these engines would you choose for your fleet and why? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video right here on Autoland, where power meets performance.